Hello all, my name is Krishnaik and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, we had recently started an initiative to give back to the data science community, and this is in collaboration with Ineuron.ai. And based on this, we had actually started Python live sessions, Power BI and Tableau live sessions, and today we started data science project architecture discussion along with resume building. Now we got a wonderful response with respect to these live sessions, and recently guys we had actually launched a ML challenge or ML competition for everyone, and this video is with respect to that. So if you have not participated, if you have not registered it guys, the link is given in the description. Go ahead and register it and participate in that particular ML challenge. This is important because this ML challenge is a little bit different from the Kaggle competition that you usually participate. And yes, there will be also a reward with respect to this particular competition. For the top 3 people, we'll be giving prize, with respect to the competition itself. Right now, what is the unique thing about this particular competition? Now, when you think about a Kaggle competition, what you actually do? You actually take the data set, you create a model, you do the prediction for the test data, and then you submit it in the website, and based on that, you actually get a rank, right? Now, this particular competition or this particular ML challenge is just not of implementing models guys, it is of implementing an end-to-end implementation. Here the marks will be divided with respect to all the life cycle of a data science project that you have actually done, like exploratory data analysis, how well you have actually done, how you have actually done the feature engineering, feature selection, okay, how properly you have actually done the model creation, hyperparameter optimization of the model, how you have actually done, and after that how you have deployed the model, right, how efficiently you have deployed the model. And finally, there will also be a task of creating an UI for this specific challenge itself. So again, the main aim of this particular challenge is to make everybody understand that how an end-to-end implementation is actually done with respect to the projects. So please make sure that you participate in this challenge because you will be learning a lot. Guys, trust me with respect to the learnings, because this is required in the real world industry. There people will be demanding this kind of work that you are actually doing, and whatever work you are actually doing guys, this is with respect to the real world project which Ineuron has actually created and given the problem statement to you. So please make sure that you participate in it, and if you are able to successfully do it, make sure that you put that in your resume, right? It will be pretty much amazing. So yes, please make sure that you participate in this particular challenge. The link to this challenge page is given in the description. If you have any queries with respect to the challenge, please contact support@ineuron.ai in Skype. Okay, again that particular email will also be given in the description. So yes, this was all about this particular video. I hope you like it. Please do subscribe the channel if you have not already subscribed, and don't forget to share this challenge with everyone guys, because again this is a competition, you will be learning a lot. So yes, I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day ahead. Thank you. Bye bye.